What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stocked up trading floor. This week was definitely pretty exciting as the market broke past its all-time high, and we are still very close to new all-time highs, which is great to see. So with that being said, let's jump right into this week's recap. Starting off with the high-risk scalps, on the 10th, there was definitely some good action with ASTS, CLF, and OXY call options, and even BABA, as all of these popped up anywhere between 102% and 280%. Of course, there were a handful of plays that popped up a medium amount as well, and a handful of plays that did not really pop or just offered counter trend opportunities. I would say most of this week's opportunity was on February 11th and February 13th. On the 11th, Intel, Apple, and Schwab all popped up between 131% and 478%, which was definitely great to see. So there's definitely a ton of opportunity there. But I would say even more so on Thursday, February 13th, as some of these tickers just went absolutely insane. The HIMSS call options popped up by 502%. Intel, CVS, and TEM also all had great moves, as those popped up between 227% and 388%. So the 13th was definitely the play of the week, and there was just a lot of good action all across the board on that day. So that was great to see. On Friday, there was definitely some good movement. It wasn't as crazy as Thursday, but definitely respectable nonetheless. And then shifting over into the theta trades, 4 out of the 5 plays this week expired immediately for max profit. The only one that didn't were the Ford 9.5 short puts. And luckily in that scenario, Ford is trading for $9.47. So when you factor in the premium received, this trade is definitely nicely in the green and will arguably do even better than the other ones when you factor in the potential share appreciation, as well as any premiums received from any covered calls that were shorted or any other form of adjustment to this new position. But either way, looking good there. If you guys don't short put options already, definitely consider it. It's one of the best strategies out there, especially if you do it on stocks that you are happy to own at prices you're happy to own at. Shorting put options can seem a little bit complex at first, but once you do it a couple of times, you'll realize it's a lot easier than you would have ever thought. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to Tom, Hunter, Mason, or myself in SM Chat, and we will definitely make sure you're taken care of. But besides that, thank you all so much for watching, and have a great rest of your weekend.